Did you know your customers can now order from you digitally to their table without any direct staff contact? Introducing table ordering, powered by Flipdish. Now your customers can simply browse your menu on their smartphone or tabletop tablet, select their favorites, and pay securely without any human interaction. You'll get your own native mobile app or website with your own branding and digital menu. Alternatively, your digital menu can be integrated seamlessly into your existing website. QR codes can help your customers navigate to your menu in a flash. Orders are received into your Flipdish terminal or through integrations into your existing point-of-sale system and workflow. Then it's business as usual, and once the order is prepared, your staff can deliver it straight to table or to a designated pickup point. Table ordering by Flipdish helps you lower costs, free up staff, reduce human error, and increase average order size with automated upselling. With Flipdish, you can leverage your valuable customer data to build loyalty and marketing campaigns, understand your customer base, and make informed business decisions. Flipdish is a powerful platform for restaurants, cafes, bars, hotels, and more. Your customers can even use it to order room service, curbside pickup, or airport gate drop-off. Flipdish is a proven and reliable partner, processing millions of orders globally. Not only is Flipdish a comprehensive solution for all your digital ordering needs, we're also an integrated platform on which you can scale your business. Contact Flipdish today to boost your hospitality business with table ordering.